So we just have our like, an X series here and like an M series here. So sometimes the install video would have been done using our X series. So everything's going to be the same, apart from there's a couple little differences. They aren't the big ones, but I'll just explain them now. So you have a 20 pin main plug on our X series here. Same thing on our M series, it's obviously just on the other side. All these auxiliary plugs are pretty much the same in here. As you can see here, there's just going to be a couple extra ones in here. So on our M series, we're going to have this blue one here, which goes to our SIM card, because this M series is a built-in 4G module. Then we're also going to have this small little black one here, which is actually our Bluetooth or Wi-Fi antenna. So this, that one there has to be plugged in as well. So those are the two differences there. Then we come over here. So on our M series we have the GPS here. On here we have the GPS like this. So that's just the difference like there. The things is like the same. You can still put the GPS in the same position. Just the plugs are different. And then we have our 4G one, which looks like this. If you're not going to use the 4G module, you can just leave this hanging behind the dash. If you are going to be using it, stick it underneath the dash so there is no metal above it, a bit like your GPS one, or you can put it up and put it on the windscreen. Obviously there isn't any 4G one on this one because we don't have 4G. We have our Wi-Fi one on our X series, but that there has just turned into this on our M series. So that's just a couple quick notes, because sometimes we've done the install using this. Install is pretty much going to be exactly the same. You just have to plug in obviously that plug in the 4G if you want to use it. The GPS is a bit different plug, and you've got your 4G antenna. So that's it.